2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, third row seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, DVD system, navigation system, heated seats, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front. Come see the car for yourself.